All right, Brad, so I see the challenge here. All your AV gear is on that wall, the far side.
Right.
You need to get some on this side.
Correct.
How?
Well, in a room like this, I can't tear ceilings apart.
We don't want to these.
No, I can't go down. I got bedrooms down below.
Okay.
So the most economical solution and the high quality solution is to use a wireless transmitter and receiver.
That's what this is here.
That's what this is. Speakercraft makes something called the Sonic Air.
Yeah.
What I'm doing is I'm just taking the output of the surround sound receiver, sending it wirelessly back to this little receiver, hooking a pair of speakers up to it. It's simple. It's a great solution. About $400.
Could you put them on the wall instead of the
I
furniture?
could.
Yeah.
I could put the little receiver up on that balcony, run the wires in the wall, done deal.
Okay, $400. Let's be brutal and honest here. I could get something cheaper.
You could.
Why not?
Alan, you know, you get what you pay for. I'm a pro. This is what I do for a living. Anytime that I cut corners, I regret it. This is a professional piece. It's something that's going to last for years.
Gotcha. Okay, beautiful solution for inside. But come on, we're on the beach. We want to play Frankie and that beach blanket bingo. Have you got anything for outside?
Let's go outside. I'll show you. Alan, check this out.
Yeah.
You got the sea, you got the surf, you got the sand. The only thing missing is music.
I would stay right here. This is it, yeah?
This is a great solution for outdoor music.
Oh, yeah.
This is a company that I used called Soundcast Systems. They build, I think, the coolest outdoor speaker system I've seen in a long time.
Look at this. I mean, there's no wires, nothing.
No, totally weatherproof. This thing can sit outside, but it's easy to bring indoors. It's got a battery in it. It's going to hold a charge for about 18 hours, or for a hard rocker like you, it might be 6 or 8.
Now, I see a dot or a place here where you can actually plug in. Is that for like the iPod there?
I can put a little iPod here with a wire going right into it. On this one, we actually have a transmitter back in the house.
Oh, you're kidding.
So I can transmit and control an iPod from here, and I can carry this thing 350 feet. We can put it on a kayak and have some tunes out there.
If you're thinking of adding video components like a TV, DVR, or Blu-ray player, consider models that have an internet interface so that you can access programming from online programmers like YouTube, Hulu, and others.